Without organization, our phones can feel like less of a tool and more like a chaotic swirl of apps. Fear not, we're on a mission of digital decluttering. Mackenzie here, certified professional organizer and tech tool enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the heart of our digital lives, our phones. Today is not just about organizing apps, it's about reclaiming your digital power. So grab your phone and let's dive in. Digital clutter can be just as distracting and overwhelming as physical clutter. Personally, there are a few apps that I love to delete and reinstall from time to time. That way, I have to be more intentional about what I want to use and not always feel like I'm just getting sucked in. Consider which apps you need and remove anything that isn't serving you at this point in time. Some people find and recognize apps really well by color. Others that like to take a more traditional approach love to sort things by topic like finance, social, utilities, business, travel. Think about which system might make the best sense for you. For example, when I say Facebook, do you think of the blue icon with the white F? Or do you think more about how you like to use the app? Choose whichever you think will work best for you and organize your phone to your liking. Just like organizing in the physical world, after we sort, declutter, and contain, we place items we used most at the forefront for our convenience. Utilize your phone's features like folders, widgets, and contact favorites on your phone and messaging apps to place your most used items at the front and center. Many of us don't have a separate work phone, but this doesn't need to stop you from creating boundaries. Many phones have a focus feature. You can go in and designate specific backgrounds, notifications, and apps to show at specific times and with specific focuses. Watch my phone switch from personal to business. It's Team M2O time. And there you have it, friends, a deep dive into our phones to discover how we can make the technology work for us. Whatever strategies you choose to implement, remember, maintaining organization in your digital space can be just as impactful as your physical space. Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!